Hello everyone, Kelly here from the HOKA Elementary team. I'm going to take you on a little tour of the HOKA Elementary home. This is a sneak peek of what you're going to find when you join the membership. Here we've got unit themes, craft guides, and video resources. This is the triangle that makes up HOKA Elementary's fantasticness. So, homepage is here, unit themes. Navigating the unit themes section. This is the first place you want to go when you join. It's going to tell you how to download all these awesome lessons. It's going to help you see how to navigate the club right here. Different parts of the club. That was what we just saw, the videos, the crafts, and the units. You're going to download individual files, and we're going to go through all of this together. Download the complete unit. You've got book recommendations, and you've got a printables list. This comes every single month in every single theme. Now, if you're monthly, the themes unlock monthly. If you're annual, you get 12 at a time that unlock annually. So let's check out theme number 1. This is your guide. You want to definitely set aside about 15 minutes or so each month to really get into this guide. This guide is going to have so many amazing tips to help you with planning, linking lessons. It's going to show you what crafts go with which lessons. So let's have a peek into the guide. You've got an intro, and then you've got thumbnails here. So Great Lesson 1. These are all the lessons that are going to support your Great Lesson 1 story. You've got your video that comes with this month. We're talking about cosmic education. We'll get into all of this. We'll take a peek at all of it. You've got solar system. Here's your solar system lessons if you want to break it down. And here's the project guide that goes with it. So you'll teach these lessons and have this craft on the shelf. Research templates. Here they are to find them. All about the moon. A specific moon pack we have here with this. So really helping you plan and see what goes with what to support your curriculum. Project guide to go with galaxies, for example, project guide here, all organized. Yulia's got awesome tips explaining what's going on, how to use them, and tips for lesson teaching. Atoms project, elements, going through language, we're linking subjects. Here's the language portion. So each theme is different, not only in theme, but in how the lessons that it links to and the project's guides, but Yulia explains it all to you. So I can't stress enough how important it is to spend time with your theme guide each month. Now, yes, you can get to the lessons from the theme guide. You can also get to them here individually. Any one of these, click, and there's your lesson. We can go back and let's see. There you go. Reading comprehension. Download the lesson. Get a sneak peek of what these look like. Now, if you want to download all of them at once, here you go. Click. With the click of one button, every single one of these lessons downloads to your computer. Easy, easy. Space and Solar System book list. Laura makes an incredible book list, fiction and nonfiction, to go with each theme. Every book is vetted. Every book has had her eyes on it. And there's a checklist. I want this book. I've borrowed this book. I've bought this book, to help you keep your library at home and community library organized in your head and in your planning materials. And there's also notes here for how you were using the books or whatever ideas you have. And printable list, this is really cool. This is going to help you know what lessons you've taught and when. You can click here. It's got every printable in this theme and whether you've presented it and when the student has mastered it. This is really, really invaluable and definitely part of the HOKA difference. Now let's take a look at, skip down to theme 3, geography. Geography theme guide. Let's have a look. Same basic idea. You've got an intro, you've got your thumbnails, You know, you can click on them here. You can download them from here if something strikes your fancy right away. And then we get into how to use them. Biomes. Look, we've even got links here to lessons to help you keep it all organized. If you're just doing deserts right, you know, you're only going to focus on deserts, here you go, all organized. Landforms, you can see here, it's all organized by subject. Need some geometry lessons? Just pop down to the geometry section and click. And these descriptions are invaluable. So again, take time with them. Yulia puts a lot of thought into this and a lot of years of experience to help you use these materials and teach these lessons in amazing and creative and contextualized ways. So again, you've got your printable resource. Here they are: biome work, desert work, landform work, plate tectonics, mapping, math and language, all organized. Download the complete unit. You've got your geography book list, same sort of format, fiction, nonfiction, with checklists and notes. And then you've got your lesson printable list for this theme. Amazing, right? Really,